Hello everyone. In today's video is very important for anyone because who is planning to new home or renovation or repainting. In this video I will discuss why wall color is important and how colors affect the mood and space and room wise best color combinations which is the best paint for interior walls. So please watch this video till end because the right wall color combinations can completely change your home look and feel. So friends, now we know importance of wall color combinations. Wall colors is not just for decoration, it plays major role. A good color combinations make your home look modern, elegant and premium. Wrong colors can make even big house of look dull. And light colors give to the calm and peaceful feeling. Bright colors give to the energy and positivity. Dark colors give to the luxury but should be used in carefully. That's why choosing the right wall color combinations is very important. And light shades make the small room look bigger and brighter. Dark shades make to the larger rooms feel cozy and warm. Wall colors show off your lifestyle and taste, and modern colors show the stylish and mindset, and while earthy tones show the simplicity. So, friends, how to choose the right wall color combinations for your house? Small rooms, light colors like white, cream, pastel shades will be best. Big room, like combinations of light and darker shades, it's very nice choice. And if sunlight is less, use the light colors. If sunlight is more, you can use the bold colors. And furniture matching. And always match the wall colors with sofas, curtains, wardrobes, and floorings. Use one color dark and one bold color of keep other walls is light color. This gives the designer look without of extra cost. So friends, your wall color shows your lifestyle taste, modern, traditional or simple or bold. And let's understand color psychology. White and off-white is peace and cleanliness and positivity. Blue is the calmness and perfect for bedrooms. Green is the freshness, balance to the nature of friendly. Yellow is the happiness of warm. Grey is the modern and stylish. Beige and cream elegant and timeless. Always choose the colors according to the using. So friends, best wall colors for combinations for interiors. Living room color combinations. White plus grey. Cream plus brown. Beige plus goldish. This give to the classic and welcoming look. And bedroom color combinations light blue plus white, pastel green plus cream, lavender plus light grey. These colors help to the relax and better sleep. Kitchen color combinations white plus yellow, light green and white, and cream and orange. Bright colors to make the kitchen fresh and hygienic. Children rooms sky blue and white, pink and grey color combinations, yellow and white. These colors to the increase creativity and positivity. And which is the best paint for interiors? Choosing the right paint is a type of important. So which is the best paint for interiors? Choosing the right paints is important as a color. The first is emulsion paint. This is the best choice for interiors. This is a smooth finish and easy to clean and long lasting and low smell and best for living rooms and bedrooms. Another one is a matte finish paint. This gives to the soft and elegant look. It hides the wall imperfections, less washable, and good for low traffic areas. And another one is a satin and silk finish paint. This slightly shine and easy to clean and premium look ideal for modern homes. And popular interior paint brands in India, Asian Paints and Border Silk and Norolog Beauty and Deluxe Velvet Touch. Choose the washable and VOC paints for healthy interiors. And final tips to before selecting the wall colors, always test the sample color on walls. Check lighting natural or artificial and use the light shades for small rooms. Avoid too many too many colors in one room. Match wall colors with furniture and floorings. And wall color combinations plays major role in interior design. With the right colors and best paint, you can completely transform your home without of spending too much money. If you found this video helpful, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Tell us which is best paint color for your home. And thank you for watching this video.